Hey guys, welcome back to Shruti Arts. I am Shruti and you're watching Shruti Arts. So yeah, today's video is requested from this guy. So few days ago I have posted a reel. I posted a story on my Instagram account that request me a tutorial for my next video. So this guy requested me the tutorial for how to concentrate on art or how to concentrate while drawing. So this video is all about that, and if you also want to request any tutorial, you can request me in the comment section or you can DM me on my Instagram account. I will make a tutorial for that and give you shout out on my screen over here. So yeah, now without wasting your time, let's jump into the video. So yeah, why I'm making this video and why focusing is really that important. So let me tell you that focusing is really important thing for all the artists. Like if you want to make any career in art side, then or if you want to become an artist, then while drawing you need to focus a lot. That plays an important role to get good results in your artistry or good results while drawing. So this is an important point. That is why I decided to make this video for you all guys. So at the end of the video I am also going to give you an benefiting point which I love the most and which helps me a lot to focus or concentrate whenever I am drawing. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So point number 1 is you should sit comfortable while you are drawing. Yeah, so this is an important point, that while you're drawing you should be comfortable by yourself and then start drawing. So make sure to apply this thing to stay focused. So point number 2 is draw as much as your concentration allows you. So yes, this is an important point too, that if you are sitting and drawing for an hour or for 30 minutes, you should take a break, that is small break for about 15 to 20 minutes. So this will also help you to stay focused and you will not get bored while drawing. So make sure to apply this thing and comment down if you got any results about it. So and make sure to do one thing, that don't use any kind of cell phones or screen time in these breaks. Make sure to go for a walk. This will also help you, otherwise you will get distracted and after break you will not get in mood to draw once again. So make sure not to use mobile in that short breaks. Go for a long walk. So the third point of today's topic is that you should your space, your workspace or your painting space should be clean and in mood of drawing. Yeah, that's true. Like if you are painting on a table, make sure the surrounding of your table is full of paintings, or you can decorate by some DIYs. If you want, make sure to comment down for a tutorial. I'll make a DIY which you can place on your table or drawing. So this is also a tip and I definitely agree with this. So try this out and tell me what it goes for you. So the fourth point of today's video is make sure to add some time for art in your schedule of a day. So this is an important point too. So all the points are important. So in this point you will add some time, about 1 to 2 hours or at least 1 hour in the full day for art. This will help you to stay focused while drawing and help you to maintain your drawing and improve in art. So the main point is practice daily. Yeah, this is the short and important. This is really important that you should practice daily. This will help you a lot. So the next point is have a great meal and great sleep. Yeah, this is an important point too. So yeah, this is an important point because if you are feeling tired, if you are feeling sleepy, don't at all draw. Get a great sleep and then you can go for it. So make sure to do all this work first and then draw, otherwise you will get distracted. So it's time for my experience. What I prefer to stay focused while drawing is I used to listen some music. I always put on my headphones and play some music that is silent music or some aesthetic music that I love or I prefer the most. This helped me to get focused while drawing and stay away from all the distractions in my surrounding. So that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video and make sure to comment down, subscribe to Shruti Arts to stay tuned with us. We are going to come up with really cool and really interesting videos for you all. And if you want any tutorial, make sure to comment down and request me any tutorial. I'll make my next video for that, or you can just DM me on my Instagram if you want paid portraits or some commission works. So hope you like the video. That's it for today. Bye.